Lakoma serves as a member of the Fire Caste, conducting operations within the eastern fringe of the galaxy as the newly appointed Shasfrey of her Tashvar stealth team. Upon a barren Eldari maiden world, open war broke out between the Tau Empire and Imperials. Their objective to capture an Eldar Exodite known as Kelseth. This ancient being had escalated tensions between humanity and the Tau, leading to numerous deaths on both sides of the conflict. Bound together by the ritual of the Talisera, each member of the stealth team marked their armor with knife icon decals to symbolize their unity of purpose before diving headfirst into the fray. Evading the bulk of Imperial forces during their insertion, the optimism of Lakoma, despite her many battles waged, held true as she delivered her men to the location of the Exodite. Confronting the jaded Eldar, who saw in the young Tau his former naivete, his words regardless fell on deaf ears to a true warrior of the greater good. Lakoma's stealth team, set upon by Imperial reinforcements as the Exodite unleashed dormant forces from an activated portal network, Lakoma refused to allow for the Eldar to flee from the battle. Pursuing him into the portal, the Exodite would be spirited into an unknown realm, whilst Lakoma beheld the fell image of her own destination. Materializing within the Dark City, Komora, all efforts to contact Lakoma have failed. Her fate within the domains of the Drukhari seemingly doomed to an ignominious end.